masawa-hawakan. There's difference depending on rainfall and elevation. Pagpabawas ng buhos ng ulan pataas. Elevation ng pataas. In North Africa, where there is very little rain, pumapatak na naman ang ulan. The plateau has a desert climate. Isang buong platong pangibaga. In Ecuador, sa Ecuador, the rainfall is heavy. Hindi basang-basa sa ulan. And the low plateaus in this area, covered with dense rainfall. Mamog. While Southern Africa has moderate and light rainfall. Light rainfall, umaaraw umulan. In general, sundalo. Alas continent, Argentina. May closing ka na? Yes! May closing na eh. Ito na yung ano po guys? Commercial. Closing.